Bonjour, hola, hola, hello, namaste. All these words are for greetings in different languages. I am Rocker of the Doon Valley and student of Dr. Jasprit Khurana. I Sanvira from class 5th will let you know few things about myself. I love art and craft. My dream to become a doctor one day. I know it will take lot of efforts, but I am ready. Yes, some of you have guessed it right that I like to be multilingual. I am vegetarian and like to eat South Indian the most. My family called me Mango Queen because I can eat 15 mangoes in a day. I spend lot of time with my little brother and help him to do different activities, and I play chess and carom for refreshment. Now you have know some things about myself.